Good morning. I'm Carrie Ann Tector, Business Development Manager at EMTEQ, and I'm pleased to announce our new product introduction for AEA. And our product is Advanced Cabin Power Systems. So a few years ago, EMTEQ did design and introduce basic cabin outlets, and this year we've added a lot more to our product line. And so this is kind of just a short snapshot of some of the other systems. What you'll see on the grid is a standalone outlet, a separate GFI, and then that feeds into a separate inverter. And so this system layout actually requires more wiring, more mounting of components, and then it equates to more possible points of failure. So in the following slides, I'll kind of demonstrate and talk about how EMTEQ's line of outlets is a lot different and how we design this with you, the customer, and the market in mind. So a while back, the FAA released this memorandum, and basically it was kind of setting the stage for more comprehensive guidelines for safety features within outlets that were out on the market. So a couple of these included plug present detection and then ground fault interrupt. So with this memorandum, EMTEQ really jumped into action with designing and engineering new product for AC outlets, and that would further meet your needs as the customer and the market. And then this is kind of a snapshot of the EMTEQ system. So as you can see, there's an outlet with added plug present detection, and then that's fed into an inverter with a GFI or ground fault interrupt. So it's a lot fewer components, it's a lot more simplistic, a lot cleaner design. And then now I'll talk briefly about some of the features and benefits of the expanded EMTEQ product line for AC outlets. So our product lines contain North American outlets, European outlets, universal outlets, and there are quite a few built-in safety features with that, such as automatic safety shutoff. There's protections against over voltage, over current, and over temperature. And another exciting feature of our inverters is it's actually a one-to-one system. So by that I mean there's one outlet per one inverter. And what this does is it provides the passenger with maximum power to their outlet. And so you're actually eliminating the problems that come with sharing power among multiple outlets. So the passenger is getting the full wattage with the outlet they're using. So continuing on with more of the features and benefits of the EMTEQ outlet product line that we're introducing is there's various lid options that you can choose from. There's different plating options. There's multiple mounting options. And then we can also custom engrave some of the labels or the lids. So if you wanted to say Joe's outlet or Mike's outlet or the VIP's outlet, we can completely do that. And also our outlets do have LED indicator lights, so the passenger looks at the outlet, they can see whether power is to the outlet or not. And then into more detail, there's a couple of different mounting options. The one on the left is rear mountable. But more importantly, one of our newer outlets is actually front mountable with removable faceplate. So this is actually a huge time saver for the installer, because what you can do is actually install this outlet into the aircraft and then remove the bezel, send it out to be plated, and then install it at a later date, such as, right before the aircraft delivers. So it's a big time saver. And then we've also, we've been asked about this feature for quite some time to implement this into the design, so we're pretty excited to actually bring this to AEA and start to market it. So with the addition of all our new AC outlets that we've added to our product line, it's ever growing, so we've also added data port devices for phone and fax, and then Ethernet cable connections that we also have now. We've also added return to seat signs, fasten seatbelt, no smoking signs to complement a lot of our exit signs that we already have. And then many of these products are actually a result of EMTEQ getting spec'd on into different OEM production programs and us doing kind of one-off special designs for different customers. So what that's done is really offer us to broaden the product line and offer the customer a lot more. So here's just kind of a real quick rundown of some of the advantages. like many of the EMTEQ products that you're already familiar with, they're completely customizable. We really want to give you a product that suits your needs. And then another advantage, there's less to wire because it's a lot cleaner, more comprehensive design. And the system is light in weight, and like I said earlier, it does offer the plug present detection and the GFI, or the ground fault interrupt. So our product line is ever evolving and expanding, so please keep checking our website so that you can keep up to date on kind of what we're developing and what we're coming out with. And so this is the final slide, so I just want to say thank you, and please visit us at booth 122 and 124. We'd love to talk about the cables in more detail, kind of show you some samples, and then also we can talk about more of our value-added capabilities that EMTEQ has, cabin management systems, LED lighting, wire harnessing, cabling, trays, engineering and certification. And then also we are having a hospitality event today. I think it's from about 4 to 6, so that's going to be beer. And then we can also, we're raffling off, I think it's a camcorder. So if you don't want to hear about the products, at least come for that. And then thanks so much, and we look forward to seeing all you guys at the booth, and have a great show.